How to screen record restricted apps. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to screen record restricted apps. So if you are also facing such issue or problem where you are currently trying to screen record to guide something from the particular video just like me, and you face such black screen problem. So let's say if I were to edit my profile under over here, and in this case, if my screen was black, then what I will be doing instead is I'll simply take the screenshot of that particular option from any of the browser if you are making a guide video or any sort of informational video. And once you take the screenshot of that particular option from your Google or any other browser, then you can simply include that particular screenshot instead of that black screen from your any of the video editor applications such as CapCut or UCut, etc. So let's say if I were to have a black screen problem over here, I'll simply split the particular section just like this from my CapCut over here. And under that particular section in which my black screen is appearing, I'll simply head over to this overlay feature from the CapCut and simply click on add overlay option over here. And from over here, I'll simply choose the particular photo which I'll be using from which I downloaded from the example from my Google. So I'm simply click on add, and now we can just readjust the position of that particular photo or image, and you can also actually trim it accordingly to your video length. And just like that, you have successfully fixed the screen record restricted apps feature. So if you are also facing black screen problem, then you can easily use such idea to avoid such black screen problem due to screen record restricted apps. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.